Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the fresh food door shelf bar in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door shelf bar. This fresh food door shelf bar is mounted on the top of the fresh food door next to the dairy door. It keeps stuff on the shelf, preventing it from falling off. The main reason to replace the bar is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. So this is the door bar we're going to replace. Grab it on both sides and lift it up. This is the old refrigerator door shelf bar next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. This is the door shelf bar we're installing, and this is the locking mechanism that you can see on the bar itself. And this is the groove, and one on each side that will lock that mechanism in. So bring it up like that and slide it down and press it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.